Mr. Sergeant Snowman with an awesome review of this awesome shotgun. It looks like I'm shorter than if you've seen my other reviews, but no, my cameraman has gotten taller. He just keeps growing. It's not fair. But yeah, it's kind of a tradition now to shoot the cameraman to see how much they hurt. So I'm going to. Ready? You ready, cameraman? Okay.
Oh! Oh! Dude, I think that one left a welt.
We should check out the welt of it. Hey, I'll take the camera. Oh, man.
This thing hurt like crap. Don't shoot your friends, kids. Oh! Wait, don't you need the clip inside?
Come on, really? I really forget the clip of this.
Call me Mr. Over-Exaggerator.
Gosh, you and your clips and your fancy loading mechanisms and all your other crap about this gun. Gosh. Yeah. This isn't from me, Vicky. I mean, it's too tough to be from me, Vicky. Hey, Vicky, it would end up like that M16 over there where we cracked the clip. The clip just like blew up. I mean, listen to the sound of this. And there's PDs in there. That's like the spring in the metal crap that like exploded in there. Yeah, our cameraman's sneezing right now. Sounds amazing. Not.
Fun fact for you. You know, every time you sneeze, your heart stops. Who cares about science, you know?
Yeah, I mean, who cares? Gosh, science is like Vicky. Gosh, you and your science, math, all those crappy subjects in school and stuff. Yeah, I mean, this is so fun to shoot. I can shoot any target I want. I can blast the cam. I can shoot this box. I can shoot my cameraman.
We already know what that feels like.
I can blast that box. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Ah, I'm not out of ammo, suckers. I probably thought I was.
In the barrel.
What? Oh, yeah, okay, so right now we're going to do it with two. Okay, that's just a target that I just stepped on. But we're going to do it like true shotgun style, so gotta reload my gun. So like shoot out like 20 bullets at a time. It's going to look so cool. Yeah.
You obviously like that speed loader. Every review you've shown the speed loader.
Because that speed loader sucks monkey. So I have to show it. Just like you, Vicky. Are you kidding me? I probably got this speed loader from you, Vicky. But airsplat, I mean, they're like, the company probably even made this gun. They just sold it to somebody. I mean, it's so cool. Oh, yeah, it's supposed to be my shotgun, so maybe I should do it shotgun. Dun, 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 dun. That's my face.
It is your face.
Okay, I think I just put in like 10 bullets, so, but I have no idea since, like, you know, I hate math and all that crap, so I don't really count as much as most people do. Yeah, this is a blue piece of metal thing. I've been shooting it. That's my puppy pistol mark. Oh yeah, that thing, way more powerful than this. Way more. I mean, this thing has got like 350 FPS or something, but I don't know, I don't think we should set it up there. I think we should set it up out here. It's so nice out. I mean...
That's North Dakota for you.
Yeah, I know. North Dakota and this nice weather. Yeah, it's my Ferrari right there. It's my Ferrari. Yeah. Take that out for a spin every Saturday night. Yeah. Shotgun style. Ooh, gotta hit my own bullets. Ow. Ow, it even hurt from the ricochet.
We're even now, sucker.
Yes, I didn't get hit by that one. Ha, take that. Oh, I got insane. shotgun alone's like 25 bucks. It's like made by Airsplat. Yeah, camouflage. Nice metal. Most of it's metal. Got a metal grip, metal pump thing, metal barrel. As you can see, it's clear, so you can see the metal part. It's got hop up. I don't really ever use that crap. Because I mean, with hop up, you gotta use math. So who uses math? Yeah, she's pretty far. Whoops, sorry, just hit the neighbor's house. Whoa, okay, sorry. Yeah, yeah, it's gone. I don't know, 50-yard range. Yeah, it's a pretty good range. Bet I can hit that bird. Nah. But, yeah, that's my shotgun.
You guys want to see the welt one more time that thing can leave? I think that's a yes because math sucks. It's about a 400 FPS welt. It hurts like balls in the wind.
Whoops, again, I shot my neighbor's house. Got him. My Ferrari, my Ferrari's just so cool. Yeah. My shotgun, I bought it with a camouflage pistol with 500 BBs and a pistol holder. That costed a total of 42 bucks. Well, it's at Airsplat. So, yeah. That's the end of this review.